Hi there, students. Fat chance. Fat chance. Okay, this is a way of saying that you think something is very unlikely to happen. You really think it's not going to happen. You believe it's more or less impossible. So there's a party on Friday. Maybe they'll invite you. My friend talking to me. Fat chance. There's no way they're going to invite me. Fat chance that they will invite me. Fat chance of me getting invited. So notice, fat chance that I will be invited, or fat chance of me being invited, of me getting invited. So you can use this either if somebody says something or suggests something and you say that's impossible, that's not going to happen. You say fat chance. So he might pay you back the money he owes you. Fat chance. Fat chance of him paying me back. Fat chance that he will pay me back. Notice the structures. Okay. Fat chance that I will find a job this year. Fat chance of me finding a job this year. Notice there's also a phrase, slim chance. There's a slim chance, notice a slim chance that this will happen. So they are different, because if you say fat chance, you're saying there is no way it's going to happen. If you say there is a slim chance, there is a possibility, maybe 20%, 15%, 10% chance that it's going to happen. Okay? So, fat chance, no way. A slim chance, a possibility. So, one question with this phrase fat chance. We never say the fat chance, no the. You can say a fat chance, but I prefer it without any articles, direct or indirect. Just fat chance, no a, no the. Okay? There's fat chance that I'll get a pay rise this year. There's fat chance of me getting a pay rise. Fat chance that he will win the competition. There's no way he's going to win the competition. He says he's going to become a millionaire. Fat chance. I don't think it's going to happen. Okay? So, fat chance, a very informal way of saying you really think something's not happening. It's not on the cards. It's not on the books. It's just not going to turn out. Okay? So, very informal. I think this is something you would use in a conversation in the pub. In a more formal setting, I would say something like, I think it's impossible that. Yeah, that would be how to say it in a much more formal way. Okay? So, fat chance of him liking that present I gave him. Okay? Fat chance of him paying me back that money. He might pay you back. Fat chance, no way. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fat chance.